We are back in my closet for week 2 of my style challenge. So today's style challenge is 2 very simple steps. And that is 1, to make sure that you find a place for your out of season clothes. Whether it is take one side of your closet and have it be all winter and one side be summer and then switch them around. Whether you do the same with drawers or you have your top drawers be winter, your bottom drawers be summer, whatever. Just separate them by seasons if you live in a place that has 4 seasons so you don't have them in your way. It will make getting dressed so much easier. And then what you're going to do is, after you've done that with all of your clothes, so you're on your own now for all of this closet organizing. I just showed you the steps that I take. Once you have done that, then you're going to go through all of them and decide whether you're going to keep things or you're going to get rid of them, whether it's donate or throw away. You can usually donate almost all. Here's my tip for doing that. I keep a bag. This is like a Christmas bag. It was on my floor, I think, last week because I had not cleaned my closet out. I just keep a bag on a hanger up here. You can get a trash bag and have it hanging in my closet. And when I find things that I don't want, I put it in the bag. When the bag is completely full, I donate them. So that's the easiest way. Try things on, go through and get things out. Move seasonal things out of the way and get rid of things that you don't want, you don't wear, or that don't fit. And I know that's a hard thing to do because we always think we're going to fit into clothes. Don't. If it's a size away and you always kind of get a little bit smaller in the summer, that's okay. But otherwise, just get rid of them. Now let me show you why I like to put things in rainbow order and do this once a year.